What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to give you some updates to my dividend portfolio. This is kind of like a emergency video. I just wanted to reveal to you guys some changes I made to M1 Finance and my master plan with my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio that is just starting. So I'm going to show you a few changes I made, the things I like, and there's some stocks that I sold, and I'm not happy, and I'm actually surprised, and I booted them fast. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this portfolio out right now. So here's my dividend portfolio right now with the Death Star. It's sitting at $53,907.31. I have a gain of $3,887.99 with a return of 24.43%. The market gain was negative 1,862.34. I earned a total in dividends of $5,750.33. So I'm going to go over my portfolio a little bit and a little bit in depth with some of the changes I made. First off, I added Energy Transfer. They're back. They're back and on the attack. I also added HESM. I'm going to go over these guys next week. I'm going to try to post a lot of videos, kind of rapid fire. Make sure you hit that notification bell after you subscribe. So I added those guys to this, and I made a little section with my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. I'm going to go in depth probably later in this video. So with energy stocks right now in that section, it's 12%. I'm going to change it to 9%. What I did is I sold Altria and British American Tobacco. That's going to be re-added. One of the issues why I'm rebuying those guys is that I couldn't keep up with it. It was kind of like a cluster bomb that wouldn't work. And what I mean by cluster bomb is, you know, I bought a huge dip. It was just too high. I couldn't change the distribution. So they're going to be re-added probably within a month. So that's one thing that I'm looking at right now. Income firepower. I'm also going to show you this part. So I added Zim and BBDC here. Now, if you look at the Star Forge, if you know Star Wars pretty well, the Star Forge, I have Keenon Holdings. I'm going to actually post a video on these guys. They're a very interesting company. CSWC, BXSL, and Saratoga Investment Corp. So again, I have Hercules Capital right there. I need to get probably to $2,000 with these guys and start doing some damage. TSLX, ORCC, REIT, FSK, AFC Gamma. My little shipping thing, I have Starbulk, Fidus Investment Corp, SFL, DSX Diana Shipping, and Eagle Bulk Shipping. Another thing I want to go over with my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio is things are looking pretty good with CubeSmart. So right with CubeSmart, I have a total of 31 shares, and it's sitting at $45. The dividend yield is 4.19%. But the thing that really excites me is what I added kind of with the store replacements, because you can tell I was very upset about store literally getting acquired, and store is no more. So I have my monthly dividends right here, which is SLG or Ace Agree Realty Corporation and Stag. SLG is going to be re-added in LTC. I have a feeling I'm going to do that on E-Trade. They're going to be re-added. I need some monthly income so that I can start buying other dividend stocks. So I got National Retail Properties and WPC Carry right there. I just posted a video on these guys. I did a review, so check that out. It's going to be at the end of this video. So I want you guys to check that out with the review. I provide my rationales as to why I like them. Another thing I want to go over is Starbucks. I have it at 1%. I'll explain to you why, because in a second, I've been telling you these videos about TSLY and OARK. There's been a little disappointment with the most recent distribution, but again, the market sucks right now. So I'm still going to hold on to TSLY and reinvest the dividends, but I'm going to go over the recent distribution that they put on their website, as well as OARK. I don't really own OARK, but I just want to go over that real quick. So I want to reveal to you the dividend distribution with TSLY. So the past few months, it was 99 cents, 90, 82 cents, and it went down to 44 cents. Now, again, this is a covered call ETF. This is really volatile. So it's not the most reliable covered call ETF for income. If you want a little bit more reliability, but this is a huge risk. I mean, I do plan on getting to at least $400 to $500 a month with these guys. I'm not even kidding. Who knows what the distribution is going to be, but this is a huge blow. So, you just don't have all your eggs in one basket. Again, with being a travel nurse, some of the experimentation with buying risky stocks or covered call ETFs, I have the opportunity to do that. And again, this is something that I plan on doing with these guys, is to have their dividends distribute, okay, reinvest them, and then have them buy dividend growth stocks in the long run. So I'm going to go over OARK's dividend history as well and their distribution. And again, these guys are down a little bit distribution per share. Options, it's risky. It gets a little crazy. I still feel confident in these guys in the long run, and I don't own anything with OARK yet, but again, I want TSLY to start buying more shares and then start going from there. And then I'm going to start buying these guys. I'm going to buy pretty much all of them so that I can have a decent distribution, so I can start buying all these other covered call ETFs in a domino effect, and then go from there. So I just wanted to reveal to you, they did go down. It went from 74 to 109, 76 to 51 to 36 cents. So it's very volatile. These guys are very volatile. Reliability, JEPI, JEPQ, and maybe a little bit of Devo. They're a little bit more reliable. This one is like kind of like a scatter bomb. I kind of like that. It's just play money in there and see what happens, reinvest the dividends, and go from there. But I'm going to reveal to you my final dividend stock I am booting and selling tomorrow. I'm very disappointed with their earnings, and I'm going to reveal that to you. And this is what really got me. The dividend cut. Paramount Global slashed its quarterly dividend to 5 cents from 24 cents. The first time it's lowered its payment since 2009. CEO Bob Bakish said the decision will further enhance our ability to deliver long-term value to our shareholders as we move to streaming profitability. The company indicated that it expects the cut will result in $500 million in annualized savings. Shares of Paramount Global plunged 28% on May 4th, putting them in the negative territory for the year. So that's some negative news. They're gone. I'm not dealing with them until I see something promising. So they're out. It was a good experiment. It was good to get rid of them. I'll take a tax, benefit selling them, losing money. That's fine. I do that strategy. I'm not going to lie. It's one thing, you take your losses and, it is what it is. So I'm getting rid of them. That money I'm probably going to distribute either in TSLY, see what happens. Again, with the experiment, I want to see what happens with TSLY. If I can get to 400 or 500 shares and see the potential of what can happen, and then go from there, leave it alone, and then if it's good, start using its income to start buying OARK and other stocks. So I wanted to be clear with this. I wanted to give you some updates. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. What do you think about Paramount with their dividend cut? Because they're out. For me, they're out. So I want to see what in the comment section what you guys feel about that. You guys take care and have a good one.